Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Tara and here on my channel I teach you guys how to make homemade skincare products. And since I teach you guys how to make homemade skincare products, I realized a lot of you guys sell your own products as well, which gave me the awesome idea to start a series where I review your guys' products. So I'll link down below in my description box to a playlist of all the videos I've already done in the past for this series. But for today, we are going to be reviewing a brand called Luxe Delight. And Luxe Delight makes handmade artisan soaps. So down in my description box, I'll put a direct link to her Etsy shop, to her Instagram, to her YouTube, which I didn't know she had until just now. I'll have to go check that out, and her Facebook. So all those links will be down in the description box. And also I'll put direct links to all the products she sent me. So since she sells artisan soaps, you can probably guess she sent me some handmade soaps. So let's just get into the unboxing so you guys can see what she sent me. Alright, so I am absolutely obsessed with the way she packaged this. So when you first open it up, you are greeted with her business card, which, like I said, all of this will be linked down in the description box so you guys can go find her on all these different platforms. And then she included a typed out thank you note, which I really appreciated. And yeah, like I said, I'm obsessed with the way she packaged this. It really felt like Christmas or a birthday opening this up with all the little like paper, confetti, I don't know what this stuff is called. But anyways, let's just get into the products. So I love how each soap is individually wrapped in these like mesh bags. I don't know what these bags are called, but it's just a really cute way to package your products. So I really like that she did that. So here's the first soap she sent me, and this is Rainbow Eucalyptus, and it is a 5-ounce bar of soap. And as you can see, she has the directions on the back, some caution warnings, and just everything you need on the back. And it's wrapped in this plastic, which I love that each soap is individually wrapped in plastic. Also, I love the way that the soap looks. It's definitely got like a rainbow color to it, and I'm really a big fan of eucalyptus, so I love the way that this smells. And I've actually am using this soap right now, and I'm really digging it because also it's just like very cooling and refreshing since it's eucalyptus. And as it's getting warmer out, it's definitely a good soap to be using. Alright, so here is the next soap, and this one is personally my favorite and actually the one I personally requested. And this is called Rose Garden. Again, it is 5 ounces. I just have a thing for rose products, I think because they're always pink, and I like the scent of rose as well. I mean, it's not my favorite scent, but rose products are always pink, and I love pink. So again, there's directions on the back and everything, and it's wrapped in plastic. And just look at how gorgeous this is. Like, I'm loving that blue on the bottom with that dark pink. And then she puts rose petals on top, and just like all the swirls is just so gorgeous. And then that golden detail there in the middle. It's just so gorgeous. I love it. This was the first soap I opened up and used, so it's actually all gone now. I used it all up. And I'm just in love with it. Like this blue, this blue's so pretty. So yeah, this one's definitely my favorite, but I haven't tried them all yet, so maybe it won't be my favorite. So this next soap I have yet to try, but it's the Lavender Bath Style soap. This one is 5.5 ounces, and it's a facial soap. So I don't really know too much what the difference between a facial soap and a body soap is, but I'm assuming the facial soap has more gentle, like moisturizing ingredients for your face. I actually love the way this looks. It kind of looks like, I don't know, like a pie or something. It just looks very beautiful, and like I want to eat it. And I love that she puts chamomile on the top. I haven't tried this out yet, like I said, but I'm really excited to. I'm just kind of going through each soap one by one. That way I don't have like a bunch of half-used bar soaps just sitting around. So I am excited to get to that at some point. So here is the next bar of soap, and again, this is a facial soap, and this is called Pretty Me, and it's orange essential oil. This was actually the second bar of soap I opened up because I love citrus scents, and I wanted to go ahead and try a facial soap as well. So I'm not the type of person who washes my face daily. I wash my face maybe like 4 times a week, maybe 3 times a week. So using a bar of soap on my face daily is definitely something that I can't do. I typically use a very like mild cleanser on my face, but I do love using this like maybe once or twice a week. I'm not really sure. It kind of just depends on what I'm doing that day, but it's great to use after a full day of maybe wearing like foundation outside, like going on a hike or kayaking or a festival or wherever you may be, where you just feel really gross and dirty at the end of the day and you just need a really good cleansing. That's where this comes in.
Or if you have really oily skin, then I highly recommend this bar of soap. But since I have really dry skin, I can't use it daily. But like I said, I love using it when I just need a really good cleansing on my face. And it smells amazing and it looks gorgeous. Okay, I'm a little behind on the voiceover, but this next one is a sea salt spa bar. And this is scented with black raspberry vanilla. And I have yet to try this one, but I'm so excited to try it. I've never tried a sea salt bar of soap before, so I'm not really sure like if it's going to be like exfoliating or anything. So I yet have an opinion on this, but it does smell absolutely amazing. And I'm digging this blue color. The swirls look gorgeous, so I'm really excited to give this a try. But like I said, I just haven't made it there yet. But her handmade soaps are definitely totally worth checking out. If you're a fan of handmade soaps, totally go check her out. Like I said, her Etsy shop will be linked down below along with everything else.
Also, it looks like you can get 10% off your order, so go over to their Etsy page, check out their announcements. That way you can figure out how to get 10% off. So yeah, if you love bar soaps, you know, handmade bar soaps, go check out her Etsy page. She has so many different fragrances. They're all super cute. They all have really adorable designs, different colors, and I think you guys will love them. They got facial soaps and body soaps. But now that we've reached the end of this video, the end of this review, it's time for my Patreon shoutouts. So if you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. Over there, you can get early access to video. You can get exclusive videos every month. You can get blogs with written out recipes that you can actually download and print out. And you can also get a shout out at the end of each of my videos. So I have a few people I need to shout out. So first we have herbalist Tracy, who owns Essence of Nature over on Etsy. I reviewed her products in the past. I'll link that review down below along with a direct link to her Etsy shop. Next we have Musical Mood Ring, who owns Stardust Bath & Body. As of right now, her website's not live, but you can go follow her over on Instagram and keep up with her over there until her website goes live. Then we have Nature's Farm Girl, who sells natural skincare products. Go check out her website and see what she sells. Then we have Kennedy's Essentials, who sells natural hair care products. I also reviewed her products in the past, so go watch that review and go check out her website. This next brand I've also done a review over, LettsBlend. Go check out their website to see what they sell and watch my review. Then we have Reese Porter, who owns Creative with Love. Go check out their website to see what they sell. And last but not least is Wonderful Body Co. I've also reviewed their products. Go watch my review and go check out their Etsy shop to see what they sell.
Hold up guys, I have 2 new patrons that have signed up since I recorded this video. The first one is called Trina's Jewelry Box, and she's only 13 and makes such cute jewelry, so go check out her Etsy shop. And the next brand is called Wildflower. She sells all kinds of natural skincare products, so definitely go give her a click and see what she sells.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen, because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.